a comprehensive guide to affiliate marketing, unveiling the steps to success. Affiliate marketing has emerged as a powerful digital strategy that allows individuals to earn passive income by promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through their referral. It offers a win-win situation for both businesses and affiliates, as companies can expand their reach and generate sales, while affiliates can monetize their online presence. In this article, we will explore the key steps involved in affiliate marketing, from choosing a niche to optimizing campaigns, to help aspiring affiliates navigate this dynamic landscape and maximize their earning potential. Choosing your niche. Selecting the right niche is the first crucial step in affiliate marketing. By focusing on a specific area of interest or expertise, you can effectively target your audience and build credibility as a trusted authority in that field. Consider your passions, interests, and existing knowledge when choosing your niche. Conduct market research to identify profitable niches with high demand and competition that is not overly saturated. Look for areas where you can add value to your audience by providing relevant content and recommendations. Researching affiliate programs. Once you have identified your niche, research and select affiliate programs that align with your target audience's interests. Look for reputable programs that offer attractive commission rates, reliable tracking systems, and comprehensive support. Popular affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale provide access to a wide range of products and services across various industries. Evaluate the affiliate programs based on their commission structure, payment terms, cookie duration, and promotional resources available. Building your platform. Having a well-structured and user-friendly platform is essential for successful affiliate marketing. Create a website, blog, or social media profiles where you can share valuable content and engage with your audience. Optimize your platform for search engines to drive organic traffic. Focus on providing high-quality content that educates, entertains, and solves problems for your target audience. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content to avoid appearing overly promotional. Ensure that your platform has clear navigation, intuitive design, and mobile responsiveness. Creating engaging content. Compelling content is the backbone of affiliate marketing. Develop a content strategy that includes a mix of written articles, videos, reviews, tutorials, and product comparisons. Tailor your content to meet your audience's needs and address their pain points. Establish yourself as an authority by providing accurate and valuable information. Incorporate persuasive storytelling techniques to captivate your audience and encourage them to take action. Include relevant keywords in your content to improve search engine rankings and attract organic traffic. Promoting your affiliate links. Promotion is crucial to generate traffic and conversions. Leverage various marketing channels to reach your target audience effectively. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, paid advertising, and influencer collaborations to expand your reach. Be transparent and disclose your affiliate partnerships to maintain trust with your audience. Experiment with different promotional strategies, analyze their effectiveness, and refine your approach based on the data. Analyzing and optimizing performance. Regularly monitor and analyze your affiliate marketing performance to identify areas for improvement. Utilize tracking tools and analytics to measure the success of your campaigns, track click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall revenue. Identify your best-performing content and channels and replicate their success. Experiment with different strategies, such as split testing different promotional materials, optimizing landing pages, and refining your targeting. Stay updated with industry trends and adapt your approach to remain competitive. Building relationships with your audience. Building strong relationships with your audience is vital for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Engage with your audience through comments, emails, and social media interactions. Respond promptly and provide helpful answers to their queries. Show genuine interest in their needs and preferences. By establishing trust and credibility, you increase the likelihood of conversions and repeat customers. Regularly communicate with your audience through newsletters or email campaigns, providing them with valuable updates and exclusive offers. Monitoring and managing affiliate links. As your affiliate marketing efforts grow, it becomes crucial to monitor and manage your affiliate links effectively. Broken or expired links can lead to missed commissions. Regularly check your links to ensure they are functioning correctly. Consider using link management tools that help you track clicks, conversions, and commissions. Additionally, cloaking or shortening your affiliate links can make them more visually appealing and user-friendly. Testing and optimization. Successful affiliate marketers constantly test and optimize their strategies to improve performance. Experiment with different promotional techniques, content formats, and product offerings to find what resonates best with your audience. Use A/B testing to compare the effectiveness of different elements, such as headlines, call-to-action buttons, or landing page layouts. Monitor your key metrics and make data-driven decisions to refine your campaigns and maximize conversions. Scaling your affiliate marketing business. Once you have established a profitable affiliate marketing business, you can focus on scaling your efforts. Explore new niches or sub-niches to diversify your income streams. Consider expanding into new markets or targeting international audiences. Collaborate with other affiliates or influencers to reach a broader audience. Automate certain processes, such as email marketing or content scheduling, to free up time for strategic planning and growth. Stay updated on industry trends, emerging products, and changes in consumer behavior to stay ahead of the curve. Compliance and legal considerations. Affiliate marketing is subject to various compliance regulations and legal considerations. Familiarize yourself with the guidelines set by regulatory bodies and adhere to them. Disclose your affiliate relationships clearly and conspicuously to maintain transparency with your audience. Comply with data protection regulations when collecting and handling customer data. Stay informed about any changes in laws or regulations that may impact your affiliate marketing activities. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing offers a flexible and potentially lucrative avenue for individuals to generate passive income. By following these steps, affiliate marketers can establish a solid foundation, build strong relationships with their audience, optimize their strategies, and scale their business. However, success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Stay persistent, focus on providing value to your audience, and consistently refine your approach to unlock the full potential of affiliate marketing. Prepared by Egypt Stories. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.